The universe is vast, mysterious, and filled with wonders we can barely comprehend, from supermassive black holes to the potential for life on distant planets. The cosmos is teeming with awe-inspiring phenomena that challenge everything we know about science. Today, we're taking you on a 40-minute journey through the most mind-blowing aspects of the universe that will leave you questioning the very fabric of reality itself. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the mysteries of the universe. I'm Presenter's Name, and in this video, we'll be exploring everything from the birth of stars to the possibility of alien civilizations. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's start this incredible journey together. Our story begins in the heart of vast, cold clouds of gas and dust known as nebulae. Here, the process of star formation begins. Gravity pulls particles together, causing the cloud to collapse. Over time, this collapsing mass forms a protostar, and once the core reaches temperatures of around 10 million degrees Celsius, nuclear fusion begins. This marks the birth of a new star. Animations or footage of nebulae and star formation processes. As the star ignites, it releases massive amounts of energy, and it will continue to burn for millions to billions of years, depending on its size. Stars go through a fascinating life cycle. For stars like our Sun, the next stage is the main sequence phase, where they spend most of their lives fusing hydrogen into helium. But eventually, the hydrogen runs out and the star begins to die. For low-mass stars like the Sun, it expands into a red giant before shedding its outer layers, creating a beautiful planetary nebula. The core that remains becomes a white dwarf, slowly cooling over time. Massive stars end their lives in a supernova explosion, a violent event that can outshine an entire galaxy for a short period. What remains could become a neutron star or even collapse into a black hole. Black holes are one of the most enigmatic objects in space. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a point of infinite density known as singularity. This results in a region where not even light can escape, hence the name black hole. There are three types of black holes: stellar, supermassive, and intermediate. Stellar black holes are formed from the remnants of massive stars, while supermassive black holes lurk at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Did you know that black holes can actually warp time and space? Time near a black hole runs slower due to its intense gravity, which is a mind-boggling concept. The universe is constantly expanding, a discovery made by astronomer Edwin Hubble in the 1920s. He observed that distant galaxies were moving away from us, and the farther they were, the faster they were receding. This led to the formulation of Hubble's law, and the idea that the universe itself is stretching. But here's the twist: this expansion is accelerating. It's driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy, which makes up around 68% of the universe. We still don't know much about dark energy, but it's one of the biggest questions in modern cosmology. Imagine that our universe is just one of many. This is the central idea behind the multiverse theory, which suggests that there could be other universes, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. There are several hypotheses about the nature of the multiverse. One theory is that other universes exist within bubbles of space-time, each potentially containing different types of matter and energy. While the multiverse is an exciting idea, it's also controversial. Some scientists believe it could be the key to explaining the fundamental constants of nature, while others argue it's purely speculative with little empirical evidence. One of the most profound questions in science is whether we're alone in the universe. With billions of stars and potentially trillions of planets in our galaxy alone, the odds suggest that life could exist elsewhere. Astronomers have discovered thousands of planets outside our solar system, some of which are in the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist, a key ingredient for life. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence SETI is actively scanning the skies for alien signals, hoping for a breakthrough that could answer the age-old question: are we alone? Time travel, once the stuff of science fiction, now a topic of serious scientific discussion. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not a constant, but can be affected by speed and gravity. Wormholes are theoretical shortcuts through space-time that could allow for faster-than-light travel. If they exist, they could offer a potential method for time travel, though the practicality of such a journey is still highly debated. What will happen to the universe in the far future? There are several possible scenarios. One possibility is the Big Freeze, where the universe continues to expand, and galaxies drift farther apart, eventually leading to a cold, dark universe. Another theory is the Big Crunch, where the expansion slows down and reverses, pulling everything back into a singularity. Or a more extreme scenario, the Big Rip, where dark energy tears apart galaxies, stars, and eventually atoms. Space exploration has come a long way, from the first human landing on the moon to the ongoing missions to Mars. But what does the future hold for space exploration? In the next decade, we will see ambitious projects like the Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the moon and beyond. Additionally, private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pushing the boundaries of space travel, making space more accessible than ever before. A key goal for the future is Mars colonization. Elon Musk's SpaceX aims to send humans to Mars, with the long-term vision of creating a self-sustaining colony. While there are challenges, like radiation and resource management, the idea is becoming increasingly realistic. From the birth of stars to the mysteries of black holes and the future of human space exploration, the universe is a vast and exciting place, filled with endless possibilities. We've only scratched the surface, but we hope this journey has ignited your curiosity to explore further. The universe continues to reveal new secrets every day. Whether we're discovering new exoplanet or unraveling the mysteries of dark matter, the future of space exploration holds unimaginable wonders. Stay tuned, and together, we'll continue to explore the final frontier. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions about the universe. What mysteries do you think we'll uncover next? Until next time, keep looking up.